If your PC takes longer to boot than your morning coffee, it's time for this fix. Let's start now. First, right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup Apps tab and disable apps that you installed. Press Windows +R, type sysdm.cpl, and hit Enter. Go to Advanced.Performance, Settings. Select Adjust for best performance. Control Panel. Power Options, and select Ultimate Performance. This mode removes micro-latency across the CPU and boosts rendering performance, especially for gaming and editing. Press Windows +R. Type msconfig and hit Enter. Under the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services. Now disable third-party updaters like Adobe, Spotify, or game launchers. Press Windows +R. Type Prefetch. Delete all files. Then again, Windows +R. Clear everything. These files regenerate automatically, but deleting them frees several hundred MBs of cache that slow disk access. Search Windows Security. Device Security. Core Isolation Details. Turn memory integrity off. It adds extra virtualization overhead. Disabling it can improve FPS and reduce input lag, especially on older CPUs. Press Windows +R, type sysdm.cpl, go to Advanced, Virtual Memory, Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size. Select your C, drive, and set the initial and maximum value according to your RAM, and the chart is in the right side. Apply, restart. This stabilizes performance under heavy multitasking. Go to Settings, press Windows +R. Search this command. Double-click Large System Cache. Set its value to 1. Then search this on. Display set. To 0. This unlocks hidden frame scheduling and network bandwidth. Limits. Press Windows +R, type gpedit.msc, and navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Data Collection and Preview Builds. Double-click Allo Diagnostic Data, set it to Disabled. This stops unnecessary diagnostic data uploads and improves stability. Open CMD as admin and type this command on screen and hit Enter, especially useful for HDDs. For SSDs, type this on screen. It helps Windows recalibrate SSD performance parameters. Go to Settings.System. Display. Graphics. Default graphics settings. Turn on hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. Restart your PC. Subscribing boosts your FPS by 69%. It's scientifically unverified but emotionally true.